So here we are going to demonstrate about solar vacuum cleaner system, autonomous. So here we will be having an ultrasonic sensor which will be giving an input triggering output triggering pulse from the sensor, and there will be an receiver which will be transmitting the data to the controller, and the controller will be receiving the data and give output instruction to the L293D driver IC. So this L293D driver IC will help the motors to run clockwise and anti-clockwise, which are present at the bottom end. So these motors are permanent magnet DC motors. With the help of gearbox, the output rotations per will be around 10 rotations per minute, and after that you will be having an output power supply source which is going from the battery. So the battery which we are going to use is 4 volts 1.5 amp lead acid batteries, which are connected in series, totally become 12 volts 1.5 amps, and the input voltage will be given to the regulated power supply section and to the L293 driver IC, so that the voltage will be distributed into the terminals. And the solar panel can be charged by using the charging circuit, which consists of an bridge rectifier, capacitor, and another capacitor to not get reverse current, and here are the output terminals and LED to indicate whether the voltage is generated or not. And coming to the other end, so here you can identify an single channel relay. So this single channel relay will be giving an output instructions to on and off the vacuum pump, and the brush which is connected at the bottom end to the BO motor. So these brush helps to clean the floor so that the dust will be collected into the vacuum chamber, and when the robo is moving towards forward end, the dust will be collected. So this relay will be on and off the power supply from the another 4 volts 1.5 amp battery, where the consumption rate of the vacuum cleaner and the brush is more, so that we have used another set of battery to give input voltage power supply. So let us see the demonstration how it works. So before that, you have to on the toggle switch over here and another toggle switch here, so that it will start the cleaning system. So when there is no obstacle, it moves right. Pump is on. So when the obstacle is being detected, it gets stopped and moves back. Again it checks, and now it starts pumping. So when it is giving the pump, it is going to rotate. So like this, it is going to clean the entire system. Thank you.